All right, so we are going to do another demo today where the same thing we did on Friday, where you are going to execute a short demo and then you are going to do a little write-up discussing and sort of explaining what is going on in context of Newton's laws. The equipment you're going to need for today is two items, and we need one to be significantly heavier than the other. That's the most important part. It would also be good though if they are similar, if they're similar in size otherwise. So two similarly sized objects, one that's significantly heavier than the other. If you were in class, what you would be using is a playground ball that is really lightweight, and then this is a 15-pound medicine ball, which is significantly heavier. So think about what you have available to you in your house that you would be able to, you're going to be throwing these, and so you want something that you can safely throw. But we need two objects that are similar in size like these. And you can be creative about this, so if you don't have some sort of like sporting equipment that would work, a simple solution might be, I've got a couple of water bottles here. One is empty, so it's really light. The other one is full, and so it's significantly heavier than the other one. And what you're going to do is you need to shoot a video of yourself throwing each one of them just upwards and then catching it. And you want to throw them so that they do roughly the same thing. They go up to about the same height, you throw them from the same place, they go up to about the same height, and you catch them at about the same place. And then the most important thing is not just that you shoot the video of that, but that you are paying attention to what it feels like to throw the two different objects, and what you have to do the same or differently to throw the two objects so that they move on the same path, even though one is heavier than the other. And then your little reflection write-up statement about Newton's laws. The exact details of what you need to do are explained in the assignment. That you should be the next link in Schoology here. And so what this should look like is I'm going to take this ball and I'm going to throw it up. I'm going to try to go maybe about head height or a little bit higher. And I want to pay attention while I'm doing this to what it feels like. So I throw this one. Okay. And then I'm going to do this. And for this one, I'm paying special attention to what I'm doing and exactly what this feels like. Throwing and the catching process. So here we go. So that was hopefully a similar height to the first one. I think that was about right. I can do the same thing with the water bottles. Take the lightweight one, and I'm going to throw this up and catch it, and I'm going to pay attention to what that feels like. Do the same thing with the heavier one, the full one. Throw it to about the same height, paying special attention to what it feels like. And so once you do that, the video is only going to be a few seconds long. Pay attention to what it feels like, pay attention to what you're doing, and then you're going to write up talking about both Newton's first and second law, what is going on, and the details of that are in the assignment.